Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Wanted to give a precious metals prices update for May 28th, 2014. 2014 is a year to prepare, so keep in touch. Alright, so let's start off with gold. Looks like gold is not recovered from its Tuesday drop. It's basically not really done anything. I imagine the volume is dropped off. I think Jamie Dimon is blaming the Fed that trading volume has dropped off the map on a lot of things, but it looks like we see it in the gold and silver trading as well. Some things that I'm concerned about because of the late fine against Barclays and the Deutsche Bank leaving the silver fix. I think banks are falling off the map. They are collapsing around us. Jim Willie is saying that Deutsche Bank is going to be the first one to go. This sacrifice, and then a consolidation. But I don't think that's going to help anyone, especially the comics market, because there is the CFTC says there's 100 contracts per one piece of gold, 1 ounce of gold, and it's probably a lot more than that. Because of all the buying going on, the Fed has to, the comics has to print to keep the price down. And I believe that's what they're doing. And like I said in my last video, I think that they will give this one heave-ho and just dump it, print as many contracts as they can to try to get away with the gold manipulation for a few more months. I see this gold price going down another 50 points, 60 points before we can really estimate what kind of damage is being done. And then I got a turnover on the MACD. This is a weekly chart, so you can see the longer term effects of the price action. And you can see again on the MACD, it's gone all the way up to the divergent line and churn back down. Now, before I mentioned, this is a reverse head and shoulders pattern, so where this goes down to, I'm hoping it goes down another 20 points, but I also hope that this closes on a high. So I hope this closes above 1300 this week, but it really doesn't look like it. It is Wednesday already. It's a short week. Tomorrow's Thursday, and all we have is Friday to recover from all this mess. And that's a good 40 points from here. Doesn't look good. I think what I hope it does is recover. But see, what we're talking about is the paper market. If this gold and silver comics market fails, what's going to happen? The silver fix is going to be done in August. I think they're going to just dump it. I think they're going to try to recover their shorts. They're going to dump it, recover their shorts. And if the gold and silver fix goes away from the Western banking and the LBMA systems, it looks like we're going to have to go get our price fix from Singapore, which right now they are looking to be able to go outside of their local market to trade gold and silver. And the Singapore market, the Shanghai Gold Shanghai Gold Exchange is backed by gold. So you can see that maybe that would be a better market to get our price from. And it looks like in another sense, if they dump this, I believe jewelers, dealers, and and other places where you buy and sell gold and silver, I don't think it's going to matter what the COMEX price is going to be anymore. I think the price of physical versus paper is going to separate like it did last summer. I think it's going to separate for good if this dumps, especially in the silver market. So be aware. Do not sell your gold and silver. Doesn't matter how much you bought it for. In the end, it's going to matter who is holding it. So here's the silver. Again, just a lackluster trading day. And we did get a turnover recently. The reason why we're seeing this turnover is because I changed my longer term MACD number to 21 instead of 34. But I'm still using Fibonacci numbers. This is still the 34-day simple moving average. And I am seeing the same thing in silver. It's just not, with all the action in the markets, it is not acting well. I think that this 19 is the final support, major support. And it looks like we have a tweezer bottom at 19, and just below that we have another tweezer bottom. Here and here, those are double bottoms on the weekly chart, which are strongholds for support. But it looks like 1863 is the final straw. We get below that, they may just print the heck out of this thing, recover their shorts, and try to get away with the last bit of manipulation they can, and just walk away as if no one's going to see anything or say anything. I know the German regulators are tying relations with Russia and China to establish a hub for the renminbi currency, and the regulators BaFin in Germany are suing the gold and silver fix pricing manipulation, saying that it's bigger than the LIBOR scandal. So, you know, what's to come, I do not know, but it's likely they will dump this, but at the same time, the physical price will adjust according to the actual physical gold exchange and the Shanghai Gold Exchange. I think that will happen overnight. The powers that be seem to think that they can fix the silver fix and make it more appropriate and not conflict of interest, because what happens is they fix the price according to buyers and sellers of their own clients, so they can just fix the price all day long, and they can put money in their pocket, no one says anything, blah 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 blah. It's a huge scam that the London Bank in the Western banking system has been in control of for a very long time, and it's ending. It's ending fast. I'm hoping it ends tomorrow. So, there you have it. Visit my website. I have an update for Jim Willie. Jim Willie is the Golden Jackass, author of the Hat Trick Letter, well known for international market current events, and he doesn't always get it right, but he gets it right a lot of the times. He is on this podcast from Silver Doctors, administered by Turd Ferguson. Russia-China currency deal is coming, and that has to do with Germany as well as it being a facilitator for the renminbi, the ruble, the yuan combination, and Germany is going to be the facilitator. It's going to get interesting. The dollar is not looking good. The knuckleheads at the Washington corporation DC is they are not doing a good job. They are forcing Russia and China to make better deals between each other, and they are going out and actually publicly selling treasury bonds, buying gold and silver, and leaving the dollar behind. And what happens to the treasury bonds when they sell it? The Federal Reserve has to pay market price for those. And what is the Fed not telling us? They are printing a lot more money than they are saying. I can guarantee it. There's no tapering. There is nothing. And Jim Willie has it all. Please subscribe to my channel. Please share this video. Please like this video. Please comment on this video. And the more people that watch it, the more awake we can get people together, the better chances we are of saving this country. It may be too late for the dollar, but it's not too late to get rid of the central banking system in this country. So, help a brother out, help me spread the news, and that's it. I appreciate you all coming by.